cozy little village, there lived a young explorer named Lily. One starry night, as she gazed at the twinkling sky, a fluffy cloud floated down, inviting her to take a ride. Without a second thought, Lily climbed aboard. The clouds soared high, higher than the tallest trees, until they reached a kingdom made entirely of clouds. The air shimmered with soft pastel hues, where cotton candy castles sparkled in the sunlight. Curious creatures, like giggling cloud bunnies and wise cloud owls, welcomed her with open arms. The Cloud King, a gentle giant with a beard of silver mist, shared stories of the starry skies and the dreams of children. Lily danced on fluffy cloud paths, played with the sparkling raindrops, and even rode on the backs of playful wind whales as the sun set, painting the sky in brilliant colors. The Cloud King gifted Lily a shimmering feather, a token of their friendship. When it was time to go, the cloud gently brought her back home.